Here we are in the middle of the big blizzard. The biggest blizzard so far of 2021. As you can see, we are not getting snow, but we're getting a lot of rain. And some wind. See how our rain catcher thingy works. Oh. We're on the east side of the island, so we're a little protected from this storm. It's coming from the west, so Kona is getting hit with a lot of wind and a lot of rain, more rain. And of course snow up to 12 inches up in the top of Mauna Kea, which is 14,000 feet above sea level. Aloha!